Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to Maths and Statistics Jota channel. Today I am going to explain about the simple technique for multiplication. 3-digit, the squares of a 3-digit value. Here 101 into 101, 101 into 101, but here one condition should satisfy, middle value should be 0, and this is the 3-digit number square of a 3-digit number. Okay, here 101 into 101 I have taken first example. 1 into 1 which is equal to 1. Here last digit of two numbers, 1 into 1 which is equal to 1, and this one and this one. Okay, 1 into 1 which is equal to 1, and after that 1 into 2 equal to 2. So first last digit we need to multiply, 1 into 1 which is equal to 1. Single digit, no, that's why I have written 0 before 1. Okay, 1 into 1 which is equal to 1, we should put 0 in before 1. After that here 1 into 1 which is equal to 1. Here also we can put 0, but integer before, if we put 0 it will be, there is no value for that. Okay, so 1 only we need to write. Okay, after that this one and this one and this one. Okay, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 equal to 1. After that we need to multiply with 2, then we will get 2. So only single digit number, no, that's why we need to put 0 in before that. Okay, 0 1 0 2 0 1, 0 1 0 2 0 1. 0 is negligible here, so 10,201 is the answer. Okay, I will give you some other examples in this topic. Okay, here I have written 202 into 202. Okay, 202 into 202, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 which is equal to 4. Okay, so write 0 4. Okay, after that here 2 into 2 which is equal to 4, so write 0 4 here. Okay, here 2 into 2 which is equal to 4, and we should multiply with 2 again, so answer will be 8. Single digit, no, that's why we need to write 0 8 before. Here 0 is negligible, 0 is negligible, so answer will be 40,804. Okay, 202 into 202 is 40,804. Okay, third problem. We will take 303 into 303. Okay, for this solution is 3 into 3 9. Okay, so write 0 9. After that 3 into 3, again 3 into 3 which is equal to 9, so write 0 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 digits will be there. 3 into 3 which is equal to 9, 9 into 2 which is equal to 18, so write 18 here. So answer will be 91,809. Here 0 is negligible. Okay, so 303 into 303 is 91,809. Okay, next problem. Fourth one, 306 into 306. Okay, 3036 into 306, 306 into 306. Okay, 3 into 3 which is equal to 9, so write 0 9. 6 into 6 which is equal to 36, write 36. If we'll get one digit, then only we should write 0 before that. Okay, here one digit, that's why I have written 0. If I'll get one digit, then I will write 0 before the number. Okay, 6 into 3, 6 into 3 is 18. 18 into 2 is 36. Okay, so write 36 here. So answer will be 93,636. Okay, next question. Next problem, fifth problem. 405 into 405. 405 into 405. 4 into 4, which is equal to 16. 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. 5 into 4, which is equal to 20. 20 into 2, which is equal to 40. So write 4 into 4, 16 first. 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 2, 40 second. After that 5 into 5, 25. So answer will be 1,64,025. Sixth problem. 508 into 508. Okay, 508 into 508. 5 into 5, 25. Okay, 8 into 8, 64. Here 8 into 5, which is equal to 40, into 2, which is equal to 80. So answer will be 50. Answer will be 25, 80, 64. So 2,58,064. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, we will take one more example. 708 into 708. Seventh problem. 708 into 708. Okay. 7 into 7, which is equal to 49, and 8 into 8, which is equal to 64. Here 8 into 7, sorry, 8 into 7, which is equal to 56, into 2, which is equal to 112. Okay, so write first 7 into 7, 49, 8 into 8, 64. In between only two values should come. That's why we write one value down to the 9. After that 1, 2. Okay. 4, 6, 2, 1, 0, 5. So answer will be 501,264. 5,12,64. Okay. Next, this is 7th question. 8th question. 809 into 809. Okay. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. Okay. 9 8s are 72 into 2, which is equal to 144. 72 into 2 equal to 144. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. 9 8s are 72 into 2 equal to 144. So 6 values should come. Okay. So 8 8s are 64. Write 64 here. After that 81. After that 144. So 1 we should write down. 4 4. Okay. 1 8 4 4 5 6. Okay. Answer will be 6,54,481. Hope it's clear. This is 3 digits square, squares of a 3 digits, and middle 0 should be there. Okay, I have explained 8 examples here. Okay, first we need to multiply the first digits of each digit. After that, last digit of each digit. First we need to write the multiplication of first digit. Here 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. After that, last digit's multiplication, 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Single value, that's why I have written 0 here. After that, multiplication of last digit or last value of first digit and first value of the last digit, second digit. Okay, 2 into 2, 4. We need to multiply 4 with 2 again. Answer will be 8. Single digit, that's why I have written 0. If 2 digits are coming, then we can write directly. In the case of 405 and 405 and to 405, all values are 2 digits. Here 4 into 4, 16, 2 digit, 5 into 5, 25, 2 digit, 4 into 5, 20 into 2, which is equal to 40, also 2 digit. So in 2 digit cases we can write directly. If 1 digit case means we need to write before 0 here. If 3 digit case means we need to add the we need to add this value to the first digits. Okay, first digit multiplication 64, down we need to write 144, after that 81. After addition we will get the answer. Hope it's clear this topic. Squares of a 3 digit, and in between in the digits 0 should be there in middle. Okay, hope it's clear. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.